tino rangatiratanga is not a dream, it's actually a reality. As I reminded the Prime Minister, we don't need you fellas. We're big enough, we're strong enough to do what we need to do. But guess what? You have a responsibility to provide education, to provide health care, because we are, like every other Pākehā in this country, we are citizens of Aotearoa, New Zealand. And you have a duty of care to also look after our people. We have to swing behind Te Riki Nui, ngā waihono i te pō. That's where our paramount responsibility is. But we also got to build ourselves into a situation where we can look after ourselves as well. Next 5 years, e hoama, e te whānau, e te iwi, is hugely critical. We have to get you fellas ready and our marae ready so that we can send these resources out. I like that. Send the resources out. So that you can truly say,